Nyambura, Excellency Governors present, the Governor of Mombasa, the Governor of Kwale County, Principal Secretaries, the Corps, the Chief of Defense Forces, General Kariri, Vice Chief of Defense Forces, Service Commanders, officers and service members, visiting general and senior officers, families and honored veterans, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, I'm extremely honored to join in celebrating the Kenya Navy 60th anniversary, which, as we have been told, carries the theme Ulinzi Thabiti Baharini miaka 60 ya kujitolea. Your Excellency, the Kenya Navy, as we know, is responsible for securing our country from external seaborne aggression, and over the years, the service has evolved into a robust naval force on the East African coast. Since its establishment on the 12th December 1964, the Kenya Navy has taken part in key national and regional operations ranging from shifter campaigns of 1965 to the most recent Operation Linda Bahari. The role of the Kenya Navy in the fight against piracy in the Indian Ocean, in conjunction with other national and international partners, cannot be gainsaid. The Kenya Navy has equally taken part in humanitarian activities, including evacuation of citizens affected by various calamities, search and rescue, salvage operations, sea lifting of food and other supplies to civilian populace in times of disasters, and medical camps, among other missions. Your Excellency, as we reflect on the past and the future, we pay tribute to the founding fathers who saw it fit to complete the defense structure by having a navy in place. Kenya was indeed among the first countries to establish the navy in post-colonial Africa. I take occasion, Your Excellency, to salute the former generals and past Ministry of Defense leadership who have over the time worked tirelessly to progressively modernize our defense capabilities, a responsibility that I and the Ministry of Defense team are fully committed to continue. As we celebrate today, we remember the men and women who have paid the ultimate price in safeguarding our sovereignty and territorial integrity. It is a time to remember and honor them for the daily sacrifice they make and those that ultimately pay the price. Your Excellency, the Kenya Navy's collaboration with defense partners has significantly amplified Kenya's diplomatic standing. Through joint exercises, training programs, and coordinated maritime operations, we have strengthened our ties with friendly nations, fostering a spirit of cooperation and mutual respect. These collaborations not only enhance our maritime security, but also contribute to regional stability and peace. The blue economy is a cornerstone of our national development strategy, in which the Kenya Navy plays a very, very pivotal role. By safeguarding our maritime resources and ensuring the security of our waters, the Navy contributes directly to the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda and Kenya's Vision 2030. Our efforts in protecting our marine ecosystems and promoting sustainable use of maritime resources contribute to the prosperity of our nation. Indeed, Your Excellency, Kenyan Navy played a key role in the establishment of the Kenya Shipyards Limited, which is one of the key defense industries with a mandate to catalyze the development of shipbuilding industry in the region. And I take a special note that the Kenya Navy Commander, General Otieno, is indeed the one that kicked off the establishment of the Kenya Shipyards Limited. It is key to note that the Kenya Shipyards Limited is among the best performing government agencies that has consistently delivered profits from inception, but a lot still has to be done to maximize on efficiency. Your Excellency, in line with the Ministry of Defense gender policy, the Kenya Navy has been in the forefront of implementation with success stories of female warship commanders, marine engineers, drivers, and special operations. These are fields that have historically and ordinarily been male-dominated. As we celebrate this historic milestone, it is important to acknowledge the unwavering support of the spouses and children of our sailors, both past and present. Their sacrifices and encouragement have been instrumental in helping our commanders and sailors achieve their objectives. The strength and resilience of our naval families are the bedrock upon which our success is built. All these achievements, Your Excellency, could not have been possible without your support and guidance, which have been delivered in real time and in good measure. For this, I and the MOD team and the entire Kenya Defense Forces are grateful for the support you continue to offer to us. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the men and women of the Kenya Navy for their commitment, selflessness, and tenacity. Your commitment to duty and country is an inspiration to us all. As we look to the future, let us continue to uphold the highest standards of dignity and maritime prowess. Committed to our mission, we stand together, ready to face the storms ahead, while ensuring that the Kenya Navy remains a maritime force to reckon with in the region and beyond. As we are about to get into the festivity period, let me take this opportunity to wish all of us a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And as they say, Bravo Zulu, Kenya Navy. Fair winds and following seas. Congratulations. Your Excellency, it's now my singular honor and pleasure to invite you to make your remarks. Karibu, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Let's take our seats. Asanteni sana.